Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to dismantle an old hard disk drive. This drive is from my previous computer shop that I had already closed years ago. So if you think your hard drive doesn't contain any personal stuff that you want to preserve, you can just dismantle it and turn it into cache. Okay, let's start by using a Torx screw. Let's remove first the logic board. We are going to recover the aluminum part of this hard drive, and as well as the neodymium magnet. While we are going to keep this logic board, because I'm trying to earn as much as possible logic board, because I am going to recover those gold if I have enough. Okay, so we have removed the logic board. Now it's time to remove the screws of this cover. It is uses a different size of Torx screw. Here in our country, the Philippines, aluminum is sold for scrap aluminum is sold for around $1.80. So it might be higher or lower depending on your country. Any of these you can. I have a computer shop before, that's why I have lots of hard drives that I have kept. Now I guess I'd like to sell them now. There is still a screw covered by this sticker, so you have to try to fill it. I think it's in here. Let's open it. There is a screw, yes, there. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay, if you think you want to save, you don't want to, expose your data, you can just keep the platter, because this is where your data is recorded. Or you can just scratch them or hit them with a hammer and then include them in the sale, because this platter is also made of aluminum. Normally a piece of this hard drive weighs almost half a kilo. So instead of letting them sit in our garage, I'd rather turn them into cash. Okay. This is the neodymium magnet. There's the other part. They are usually paired. Okay. Okay, this is the neodymium magnet. It's very strong. This one sells for around $1 to $2 US dollars a piece. So depending on your country. So you can pass this as aluminum. The magnet is not going to stick on it. There is part magnet in this area. Okay, let's try this. This one is not made of magnet, so you can just pass this as a regular steel. Aluminum. The tricky part here is removing this magnet, so you can just let it stay there and sell it. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.